Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, there we go. Having a little bit of lag on this. And I'm going to teach you how to make Godzilla on Champions Online. Okay, first you gotta start out with the mail. Doesn't matter which base you choose. I'll show you why. First you gotta increase the muscle, increase the body mass by that much, increase the neck, shoulder, chest width, chest depth, arm length, arms, bicep, arm, increase this, gotta make it as tall as possible. Increase this. Okay, then pop in there. Okay. Here's where you can make the best Godzilla. You can pause the video if you want, but I'm going on. Okay, scroll up to the head. Now you want to choose Beastle. And I know what you're saying, that does not look like a lizard face to me, or to you guys. But there's an option. Beyond, Rat, Vulture, Serpent is the one that you want to choose, but here's all the options. You can make a sleek serpent, you can make it one of those, you can make it one of these. I can't make it one of those because Atari tokens. I might be going too fast for you guys, but you can see all this anyway if you got an account. Let's see, does that look good? Yeah. Okay. Lizard. Just choose Serpent for this. Gives you a more detailed. Oh, guys. Gonna make the skin green. I'm making the 19 whatever one, not the remake one. Tons of people say that sucked. I kind of liked it. It wasn't all special. I mean, they could have made it better. Could have, should have, would have. But I'm not criticizing movies in this video. Look at Godzilla's eyes. I think they're yellow. I've basically never seen a Godzilla movie besides the remake in my life. Yeah, I know. I'll make that kind of green. I think that's good, right? How about I lighten up on this? Make it match. Ah, that's pretty good. Enough. No, nothing with these. So let's see. Move on to the torso. Now for this one, you want to choose skin. And now he doesn't wear a shirt. You can put the bear skin, pattern skin. Where you see Godzilla wearing tattoos before, huh? Oh, there we go, serpent. So which one's this? I also don't even see the blue on that, so you don't have to matter with that part. But the yellow has got to go. And so is that. There. Neck. Anything for a neck for him? Godzilla kicking it old school. Get off that. Okay, belt. That's got to go. Okay, no cape. I'm just looking for some spikes. I may want to turn around for this stuff. Turn him around. think Chem2 is getting a little bit of a lag here. Now scroll down where you see spikes up right here. Now I believe they're green, am I right? So make them green. It's looking good. Of course you can't see it from there, but whatever. Okay, so I think that's shorter arms. BRB guys, I'm back. I made the arms a little bit shorter. Let's turn on the music a little. You know, what you want is no gloves. No, either you want claws or I thought there was like reptile. But I don't know. Which one is claw? I swear I saw reptile on that, but never mind. So now you have to go to skin on this one. Doesn't really matter for that part because servant. Right on cue. Apparently I didn't press no belt. Now I'm turning this into, I think that's a green. Turn this into that green. See, it's looking good. I have to get under the tail. But right now, feet. Well, no. Now let's go into the tail. Now I personally would choose Dino 2 because it's the one with the most spikes, and Godzilla has tons of spikes running on his back to his tail. Let's turn those spikes into green spikes, shall we? Turn a yellow into a green, and there. We're not finished yet. I think I forgot something. Yeah, shoulder pads. And you might be saying to yourself, why put shoulder pads on them? Well, I'm just seeing it as like a right sort of spikes for him that goes to the backside. Like those bug legs on the claw army. I think that's what they're called. They have bug legs on their shoulder that kind of looks like really good spikes. Probably can't see it, but I know when it comes up. He has no fur. Oh, there it is. Yep. Now just turn those into green. No, that looks crappy. You can add them if you want, guys. I don't care. And there you go. Gat Reconcilla. It doesn't matter what personality you give them. I'll just give them normal. Now to impose this, you don't want huge, big. You don't want huge beast or just beast. But if you choose beast, he walks around like a monkey. Yep. So I recommend just huge beast for his pose. And there you go. Press next. And there you go. Oh, my bad. As you can see, that name's already been taken. I don't care, I'm not going to play as this character. And there you go, Godzilla. Pretty awesome, huh? Minty Seda, signing out.